Hey guys, welcome back to Thistledowns TV. Happy to be on Thistledowns farm today. It's a beautiful day. I'm with my dad Terry, and he has been in an epic battle with the deer in the pumpkin patch lately.
Yes, the deer after my pumpkin funkins.
Today we're just going to run through really quick some of the tactics he's using to try to deter the deer from the pumpkin patch.
There's three things that deer don't like. One is they don't like metallic sounds. Two, they don't like the smell of man. And three, they don't like to be surprised. Now, the way we've set our system up, it's got all three of those things. And what I've got 12 metal posts like this one around my pumpkin patch. It's about 3 acres. I put one of these rags on every post, and on every one of these posts I refresh it every night. And what I refresh it with is Calvin Klein Obsession. Now, if you ask me why Calvin Klein Obsession, it's because it was sitting on my shelf someplace. Somebody gave it to me one time for Christmas and I never used it. But it's really stinky, all right? And I put it on these. And if you see my scarecrows back there, long ones, and I also put it on the scarecrows back there as well. All right, so that gives the scent of man. That keeps the deer, helps keep deer out of here. All right, the second thing I said was deer don't like to be surprised and they don't like the sound of metal cans. Well, to every one of these 12 metal posts, I have a monofilament line, which they can't see. That is the surprise factor. So they cannot see it, so they're not expecting anything, they're not gonna jump over it, which is very important. What they're gonna do is they're gonna walk into it, which surprises them first of all. And the second thing what they're gonna hear when they do is this. They don't like metal cans. They don't like the sound of metal, period, because that is a sound that's not normal to nature. So they walk into these, they hear that, they're gone. And we've got it all the way around. None of these things are attached. What they do is they hang over. This line hangs over this line. So that way, if they do hit one, it's not gonna rip the whole fence down on me. And we're going on 6 days now with no deer damage. So, if it works, it works. It ain't broke, so let's not fix it. So, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. We love you. Love, peace, and light. Wheelers.